Hello YouTube, I'm only making this video because my brother's complaining about shit falling off his walls. And also, too many people complain about bad video quality and try to make their own and make it bad themselves. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to hook up a car amplifier inside of your house using an Xbox power strip. Alright. Too many people are bad at this. But you see here, you cut the plug off that plugs into the wall. You get these wires right here. You get the red one and the blue one. Put them together. And then you grab the yellow ones. Put it in a 12 volt. And then you grab the black ones. Put them in your ground. And then you bridge the remote in the 12 volt so that it doesn't stay on all the time. And then you hook these up right there, normally like a car. And you freaking plug it in and make sure it's yellow. Alright. I actually have mine set up kind of strange. I got the auxiliary cord going from here into the input. And then I got the output wires coming out here. Right down here. Into this little spool of wire. Going into the inputs on this. So there's two different volume controls. And it works.
Fox, yeah. Got my crop, yeah. I just bought my plug, yeah. Full of the mud, yeah. Nigga get full of them drugs, yeah. Feel it right, yeah. I'm on the same thing as Mike, yeah. Ball of ice, yeah. Wanna beat that dough like Ike, yeah. For that